How to make lead generation easy, fun and fruitful. In running a business, there are many different things to focus on. You have to manage your inventory, market your products, and run the day-to-day operations. Another important task is generating leads so that you can grow your business. For help in doing so, the following tips and tricks can be quite helpful. Try a fax campaign to increase your lead generation. Fax may seem very 1980s in terms of business communication, but most companies still rely on these machines. So many people have ignored the fax machine in the 21st century. But that only means that you have less clutter to battle. Your message will be more likely to hit. Incorporate social media into your efforts to generate more leads, and you will be more successful. Many people do all of their browsing through social media sites these days, so that's where your business needs to be. Cover the major platforms with great offers specifically targeted to your potential customers and watch the leads come in. Ask your current customers to pass on word about your company to those they know. Your current loyal customers are the best lead generation asset you have. Their word of mouth can really mean a lot to generating new customers. Just them sharing your company information in social media can be surprisingly powerful. Find some way to rate your potential leads. Not all leads are created equal, so before you start generating them, know how you'll grade them. Otherwise, you can find yourself overloaded with potential leads with no way to decipher which ones are worth your time. It's a critical step to help you be efficient. Now that you have watched this video, you should have a better idea of what is involved in effective lead generation. Even if you have a lot of experience doing so, some of this information may still have been new to you. Give these techniques a try to help out your business. Student loan.